Hello friends, hi and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a useful guide on how to easily download Google Chrome in your Windows or laptop safely. So let's dive in quickly to the process. So in case you don't see your Google Chrome here at the desktop screen, let's search Google Chrome here at the search button. Let's type Google Chrome and then scroll up to select best match. Click that, and then let's expand this first by clicking the square icon here. And then once done, you need to search Google Chrome here at the Windows search bar. Let's type Google Chrome. Okay, then after that you need to hit enter. Okay, you need to select the fast and secure web browser built to be yours link. Tap that and you will be redirected here. So it asks you here download Chrome. I want to update Chrome. So in our case, we'll be selecting download Chrome. And now in the right side, upper right side of your screen, you will see the download icon here. Tap that and then Chrome setup dot exe is now done. Let's click that. Let's wait for a while. And now it's installing. So please bear in mind that if you want to download Google Chrome, don't forget to download it only here at the google.com because it is secured and you will be safe from any virus. So hope this video helps. If yes, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like to be notified into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day, everyone.